Tinnitus, the annoying ringing and how to make it better. The term tinnitus is Latin-based and roughly translates to mean ringing or tinkling like a bell. This is a very apt term for a condition that is described as a persistent ringing noise in the ear. This video was designed to help you reduce the negative effects of this troublesome condition. Write down everything you eat for a whole week in a journal. Also, keep track of when you experience tinnitus and note the severity of the attack. If you write down this information, you may see a pattern and learn which foods cause your tinnitus. The more you can learn to avoid tinnitus triggers, the better you will feel. One tip for managing tinnitus is to visit the dentist and get evaluated for dental problems. Have the dentist check for temporomandibular jaw syndrome and discuss treatments with you if it is needed. If you wear dentures, have the dentist check that they fit you properly. Correcting dental problems may help reduce tinnitus. Reflexology is something that many previous tinnitus sufferers have used for relief, so try it too. Always look for professional accreditation and references when you select a reflexology specialist. Call the references and check into their experience before you choose the most trustworthy person to use. Exercise is a great way to address tinnitus. Not only does it reduce stress, which helps all physical and mental ailments, walking and running in certain environments can really get your mind off the noise. Try going out when it is windy, or by the ocean if you are near one. Any place with constant yet natural sound can give you a pleasant substitute to your tinnitus. Use a properly fitted medical device to help relieve tinnitus. A hearing aid alleviates symptoms in about half of tinnitus patients who also have hearing loss. A tinnitus masker, a device worn in the ear which produces a low-level noise that helps cover the unpleasant ringing sensation, can also benefit patients without hearing loss. Rule out various causes for your tinnitus. Some are very simple, such as tight muscles in your neck and shoulders. Visit a chiropractor for an evaluation. Jaw problems can also cause tinnitus, and a dentist can easily realign your jaw in some cases to remove the cause and relieve your tinnitus. As previously revealed, tinnitus is a Latin-based word, which describes the ringing sensation that many tinnitus sufferers report. The constant noise causes discomfort because it can affect your attention span. Many people desperately seek relief from this condition. This video hopes to provide tips that bring relief to those who suffer with tinnitus. Brain scan uncovers the real root cause of tinnitus and what you can do about it, starting today. Please visit earpainhacks.com to learn more. Would you like to learn how to naturally ease tinnitus? Please visit earpainhacks.com to learn more. Link in the description.